Allviss is EVT's ready-to-use assembly assistant for manual workstations. It combines guided worker support with real-time success feedback, powered by the EyeVision software and AI-based image processing. The system visualizes complex work instructions, recognizes errors early, and immediately provides feedback for correction. This allows operators to correct issues like misused parts or incorrect handling on the spot, preventing costly rework and delays. Allviss makes onboarding easier, supports variant-rich production, and enables high-quality results through the 4 eyes principle. Shared monitoring between human and camera system. Allviss guides the operator step by step through the assembly process. Instructions are shown clearly on a touch screen, and the system continuously monitors whether the current step is being performed correctly. If something goes wrong, Allviss instantly gives feedback so the worker can fix the issue right away without needing outside intervention. The system is easy to install and adaptable to any workstation. Sensors and computing units are located in the upper area, and the integrated PLC manages local controls. Thanks to interfaces like Profinet, Modbus, OPC UA, and MQTT, Allviss can be seamlessly connected to SCADA systems, including dynamic workflows such as lot size 1 production. Curious how Allviss can support your process? Contact us or scan the QR code on your screen.